Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the exact cell or range to protect. This matters because later rules apply precisely to that selection. Once selected, open the Data menu and choose Protect Sheets and Ranges. Do it now so settings tie to the chosen cells. Name the protection for clarity. Make sure to add a description if this is shared. You're preventing accidental edits, not blocking access entirely. So think about who must still change content before moving on to permission setup. Once done naming the protection, you specify who may edit. Select either only you or a list of collaborators by email. Use the drop-down to pick custom and add or remove users. This prevents unwanted changes while allowing legitimate edits. If you need exceptions, click the option to allow specific cells inside a protected sheet. This lets formulas remain fixed while inputs stay editable. Make sure to save the rule and confirm the lock icon appears beside protected ranges so collaborators see constraints. Finish by testing protections. Open the sheet as a different account or use an incognito window to attempt edits and confirm restrictions. If someone who should edit is blocked, return to the protection panel, edit the allowed list, and resave. Permissions are the usual culprit. Make sure the file isn't owned by a shared drive with stricter rules. Change ownership if necessary. Finally, document the protection choices for collaborators so they know why cells are locked and how to request changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.